When you want to get from one place to another, your vehicle can be of great help. There is a need to ensure that you maintain your car well to avoid damages. That includes repairs or having your parts replaced. If your car's auto glass is already cracked or chipped and sustains damage, you should get a one-time windshield replacement. Low cost nowadays, you can find insurance policies that cover the cost of auto glass replacement. Even if you do not have coverage for glass, you can find competitive prices for auto glass repair and windshield replacement. The truth is that auto glass replacement helps to maximize savings. Although small chips and cracks can be repaired, accumulating them can seriously affect the glass's integrity that can result in costly repairs over time. Water that penetrates the car is due to the auto glass losing its seal. Cracks and chips in the auto glass allow water and air to move throughout the car. In fact, auto glass repair technicians can seal your auto glass to keep heat in and air out. Auto glass repair or replacement is not a DIY job. That is because it needs a lot of accuracy and precision. Thus, you should hire a reputable auto glass repair company. For more information, call or text 480-233-1529.